We recently got the Pixsee Play, and let me just tell you, this baby monitor was so easy to set up. It has such impressive and incredible video quality. It's 180p HD. It also alerts you when your baby is crying. It tells you the temperature of the room, as well as takes pictures throughout the day of your little one. So that way you are never missing a moment and always catching those milestones. It has a very large, wide view, so you can see the whole room. It also has a wide variety of sounds, white noise, or music. There's also an exclusive playlist for Pixsee Friends. They bring their unique musical personalities to create playlists that fill your baby's day. For developing little minds, music is wonderful, as well as you can record your own personalized voice. This camera is incredible. It alerts you when it notices that your baby's face may be covered. You can also connect it to your Alexa app and play the live feed through your Echo. The features on the Pixsee are impeccable, and I would definitely recommend this to all of my mom friends. Definitely go ahead and check out the Pixsee.